Hello, my name is Kara Hurley. Rachel asked me to give you guys a quick story about my experience with Valor. She came to visit me last weekend, and it came up in conversation that my husband snores all the time. Every night, I'm constantly elbowing him to roll over because he's snoring. So she pulled out the Valor and said, put this on his toes, give it a try, see if it works. I was not a believer in the oils, but I thought I'd give it a try. Sure enough, she was there for 2 nights. Both nights she was there, I stuck that sucker on his toes, and he didn't snore once. It's magic. And she's sending me a bottle as soon as possible. So good luck. Enjoy. It really works.